So students, now we will start what is IP address. In IP address, we will cover what is IP address, IPv4 and IPv6, the difference between IPv4 versus IPv6, the type of IP address, and what is a public and private IP, and what is a static and dynamic IP. So public, private, static, dynamic, these are the types of IP address we will color in detail. Okay. So first topic is what is IP address. As we assume that every device has their own IP address, but it's wrong. And if you also like that, is there any something that google.com, but it is also lie. There is nothing like google.com. You might be surprised what I'm talking. Yeah, it is true. So we will cover in detail. Let's start. So IP address is the address of the device, not actually the truth, but we assume that it is the address of the device. Suppose I have to send some data, and data will be sent in the form of packet. There are some small amount of packets available. Let me explain a little. See. So suppose I want, this is a one server, this is another system. So one system to another system, the data transfer in the small amount of the packets. The size of the packet is depends upon the amount of the data you want to send. The huge amount of data, the huge amount of packet will send. Okay. So uh, let's see the example first. So this is the cartoon we see in our childhood, and most of the people are right now also seeing. So in this, if Nobita wants to send some books to the Shizuka house, so Nobita actually knows the address to the Shizuka house. That's why he go and share the books and wants to study, and you know what to, they eat snacks as well. So if the Nobita wants to share something to the Shizuka while studying, while playing, so he might know the address to the Shizuka house. Similarly, we send data to one system to another system, so we know the address to the system. Okay. In IP address, there are two types of IP address, IPv4 and IPv6. Right now, we are studying IPv4. So, what is IPv4? IPv4 is Internet Protocol. V4 means version 4. So, in version 4, there are four packets divided in the four packets, four parts. First part, it's it's not the random number. It's हर एक नंबर का कोई ना कोई मीनिंग है. ओके. अब जैसे हमारा आधार कार्ड होता है, एज वी आवर आधार कार्ड नंबर, सो our Aadhaar card number is also a meaning. Our PAN card number is also a meaning. They are not only the random number. Similarly, इन numbers का भी कोई ना कोई meaning है. हर एक जो वो है, हर एक 1 बाइट का स्पेस लेता है. 1 बाइट में 8 बिट्स होती हैं, तो टोटल 4 बिट्स, और 4 into 8 32. टोटल 32 बिट्स और 4 बाइट्स. ओके. नाउ what's the meaning of the number? Suppose first is the country code, second is the state, third denotes to the city, and the fourth is denotes to the device ID. Okay. So in country, suppose 17 is the India number, India code. It's example, not truth. Okay. Now second one is state. So I suppose in India the state would be Rajasthan, and city, in Rajasthan the city I will take Jaipur, or in Jaipur there is a device ID. Some user using this device ID.